Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel and a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can build your makeup kit under rupees 500. So if you're a beginner and looking out for a good makeup kit, valuable makeup kit, then you'll have to stay tuned till the end of this video. So starting with, I have got 3 eyebrow pencils. This one is from Miss Claire, Inside Cosmetics and Swiss Beauty. In all 3 of them you get a pencil at one end and spoolie at other end, which makes it very easy for you to brush your brow hairs and draw bold or natural eyebrows. It is very pigmented and it has right amount of waxiness, and I love all 3 of them, and it is very affordable. Now for a good primer base so that your makeup is long lasting, I have 2 options for you guys. First one is this Mars Glow O'Clock primer. This is my absolute favorite. It has a very nice light gel like consistency, transparent in nature, and also it provides a very nice luminosity to your skin. Once you blend it out on your skin, you will see that it has got some tackiness, and this will help to keep your makeup long lasting. Next, if you have dry skin, pores or discoloration on your face, then NY Bay Orange Correcting Primer is a very good option. I have a dry skin, but still I love using this because this cancels out any kind of darkness on my face, and also it blows out my pores and gives a very smooth base to work on. This has a silicone texture which makes your makeup glide very smoothly, and also it will blur out all the imperfections on your skin. Next, in the foundation category, I have again got 2 options. One is this Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, and this is best for oily skin type. Even if you have dry skin like me, you can go ahead and use it, but keep in mind that you need to prime your face very well. Your face has to be well hydrated and moisturized. This has a full coverage, and little goes a very long way, and I love using this during my special occasion. It retails for rupees 750, but when on discount you get under rupees 500. There are couple of shades that suits all Indian skin tone, and if you are someone from oily skin type, then this is a must foundation for you. Another foundation or BB cream I have is Mars BB cream. This is a skin perfecting, color correcting BB cream all in one. Well, this is the shade caramel that I use, but I think this is my winter shade because today I have used this on my face and it looked very light on me, but this has a very nice creamy formula which gives you a very nice matte finish, and also it is very long lasting. It is not like a regular BB cream that looks sheer on your skin, but this has a lot of pigmentation in it that gives you a very good coverage. So if you are looking out for something for everyday use, then you can go ahead and use this. It covers your imperfection, cancel out any kind of darkness or any kind of blemishes on your skin, and you will see that your skin is looking absolutely fresh and radiant. Next, if you're looking out for a good concealer, then I love using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Well, this is my color correcting shade because this has a strong undertone of golden and it has a little bit of orangish undertone in it. So I love to color correct any kind of blemishes or darkness on my face. I also use this to spot conceal. But if you're looking out something to give you a highlighting effect, you can go with a lighter shade. It is very creamy in consistency. It blends efficiently. It is not going to give any dry patches, and also it is not going to make your makeup crusty, patchy. It is crease proof, and also it is very long lasting. It is very affordable, under rupees 200, and this is a perfect concealer for beginners. Then to set my eyebrows, I love using this Essence Brow Gel. This is my holy grail, and I remember not switching to any other brow gel because I have been loyal to this for many years. This has microfibers in it, so if you have sparse, scanty eyebrows, you can use this brow gel and you will see that it fills up those sparse area. For someone who loves that natural eyebrow look, it is perfect for you. And also people with bushy eyebrows, you can go ahead and use this. This is very affordable, and also it comes to very affordable rate once on discount. So because this is a best selling product, it is always out of stock, so make it a point to grab it whenever it comes in stock. I always keep a backup of this because I know once this goes, it is very difficult to come in stock. Now you need a good setting powder to set your entire face makeup, and I always would love to recommend this Mars Trend Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent, but you get couple of other shade in this range. This has a very nice finely milled formula that you can use to set your base makeup or to bake under your eyes or on your face wherever you want to. I love to use this to blur out this area because this area on my face has larger pores, and it does a very good job to blur out those imperfections, and it is not going to emphasize your texture. It is also not going to give you any kind of flashback, and it is very affordable and easily available. If you're a beginner and if you want a good eyeshadow palette that is pigmented, easily available and affordable, then I have this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. This is in the variant Smoke It Up. You get couple of other shades in this variant. You get your mattes and shimmers inside. Also, this can be your everyday shade. You can create an eye look from day to night because you get your blacks and deep brown, and this is perfect for people with tan to deeper skin tone, because if you use a lighter shade of concealer, it is definitely going to show up on your skin. The matte is very pigmented, but it has little bit of kickback on the pan, and you can see that I have used this shade and I've already hit the pan because I love using this shade mixed with little bit of black to fill out my eyebrows. So this is a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette, and the pigmentation, as I said, is top notch. It blends out like a dream. You will not have any kind of patchy marks. Only problem is this shimmer, which is not that pigmented. Looks pigmented on the pan, but you will have to work it out with this shimmer. You can use your finger and go couple of times to build up the shade little by little. So overall, I love using this palette. Then I have another eye and face palette from Mars, and this is how it looks. It is in the shade 01. You get a total of 2 shades in this variant, and this is how the color story looks like. You get your highlighter, your bronzer, and your blush. Now let me tell you, this blush is of no use because it is not going to show up on my skin. It is very light, but these highlighters are bomb. I love to use this highlighter because it does not have any chunky glitter or shimmer particles that blends out very easily on your skin, and it does not emphasize any kind of texture. Next, this bronzer, this has a little bit of sheen to it, so I love using this during summers when I want to achieve that sun-kissed makeup look, so I love using this at that time. Now the mattes of Mars palette are very buttery soft, and it is very pigmented. It blends out like a dream, all of that good stuff, but the shimmers you can see here is not that pigmented. So what you can do is you can either use your finger or you can use a glitter glue underneath and then press the shimmer shades on your eyelid. So I have used this technique today, and after using glitter glue, the shimmers comes out more intense than it actually looks on the pan. This glitter is something which I'm not a fan of because it is not very fine. It has some chunk to it and it feels very dry. Overall, I would love to recommend this palette, and this is very affordable and it is easily available. If you're looking out for something that has your blush, bronzer, highlighter, then I have this Mars I Belong in Your Purse cheek palette, and you get your blush, highlighter and your bronzer. Also you get a very good full size mirror. The mirror is of very good quality. Coming on to the blush, it is very nice coral tone blush which is very pigmented. You have to go light hand, because if you don't tap off the excess and if you go little overboard with this, you can look like a clown. The highlighter is finely milled, it is very smooth to touch on the pan, and it is very pigmented. It is a champagne rose gold kind of shade that will look beautiful on deeper dusky skin tone. And the bronzer, I heard people complaining about this bronzer that it is not pigmented, and in one of my video I also complained that this bronzer is of no use. But once I started using this palette through and through, once you pass the first layer, then you will see the pigmentation coming out. So today I have used this palette to do my blush, bronzer and highlighter, and you can see how beautiful all these three looks in total. You get other variant in this, so if you don't like this coral tone of blush, then you can opt for other colors. And this is in the shade 03, very affordable, very easily available, and yes, I love using this. And now if you're looking out for a good affordable blush, then NY Bay blush is a very good option. I don't remember the shade, retails for somewhere around 245 but comes to a very good discount point. So this is how the shade looks like. It has a very nice pinky coral undertone to it, and it will look beautiful on tan, deeper dusky skin tone. It is very creamy and very easily blendable. You have to build up the shade little by little, otherwise you can go little overboard with the shade. You see that I have blended out with my finger and how easily it has blended out. You don't need your sponge or your brush. If you're on the go, your fingers are the best tool, and this is very creamy. The formula is very lightweight. This is perfect for your no makeup look or for your clean girl makeup look. Also it gives you that natural flush of color which looks very healthy. Now if you're looking out for a good affordable kajal, then I have this L18 Eye Drama Kajal. It retails for ₹90 only and easily available everywhere. Comes with a retractable packaging, and you get a good amount of kajal inside this. This is how it looks. It is matte jet black and is very pigmented. It is good for people with sensitive eyes, or if you wear contact lenses like me, it is not going to dry out or water your eyes because it is ophthalmologically tested, and it is not going to burn out your eyes or make your eyes uncomfortable after some time. It is not going to do anything of that sort. I have made a separate video of my top 5 kajal in which this is included, and 90 rupees. I was little skeptical at the beginning, but when I started using this, it is not going to go anywhere. If you want to make it more long lasting, then you can use a black eyeshadow on top of the kajal. Even if you cry, your kajal is not running out of your eyes. That is how I can explain it to you. So yes, in 90 rupees if you get such good things, then why should you miss the chance? Then for liquid eyeliner, I love using this Lakme Iconic Liquid Eyeliner. It has a very nice thin brush tip applicator. With this you can draw your winged liner very easily. It is very flexible and also it is very pigmented. You cannot see any kind of glossy texture. It is straight up matte, and also it is very long lasting, very affordable and easily available. Next in mascara, I love using this Essence Lash Princess mascara. Now if you're a beginner, obviously you would not know how to use false lashes. So this will give you false lashes effect because it will lengthen your lashes. It does not make your lashes clumpy. It looks very separated and it is waterproof. It comes out very easily once you use a very good oil based makeup remover. And some days when I don't feel like using false lashes, I use this mascara and it serves the purpose for me. Now if you're a beginner and building up your makeup kit, then you want to try a good quality pair of lashes, and I love using these lashes from Amazon. You get such styles from other sellers also, and it retails under rupees 300. You get pack of 5 and one pair of lashes you can use up till 7 to 8 times. Band is very flexible. It is not too thick, not too thin, right in between, and also it is very easy to use. To stick on this eyelashes, you need a very good glue. So I always prefer using this Europe Girl Paris glue, and it retails for 300 only, easily available on Amazon and also on their website. It is white in color, but it holds on your lashes very brilliantly. It gives a good grip, and even if you're in the wind, it is not going to move anywhere. So I love using this. It is affordable and of yet good quality. Now if you're a beginner, you need this kind of lip liner in your stash. This is eye and lip liner, but I especially use this only for my lips. I don't experiment with my eyes because my eyes is very sensitive and I don't know what goes inside it. But when I use it on my lips, it is very pigmented. This is how the packaging looks like. You get a retractable packaging and the shade is very pigmented. Let me just swatch it for you guys. It is creamy, pigmented and very smooth on your lips. You can moisturize it very well and use it on your entire lips as your lipstick. Also, I have made a separate video on this lip liners, so if you want you can check it out. I will mention the link on the I button in the description box. This comes in a pack of 10 and you get variety of lip liner shades in this range. Coming on to the last but not the least, you need a very good setting spray so that your makeup is in place for longer hours, and I use this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This has aloe vera with vitamin E. So this is quite a long lasting, but my another favorite, which is very affordable, it is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix setting spray. I finished that off, so I cannot show it to you guys. I have already discarded that bottle and I've ordered for a fresh one which is on the way. So yes, but still, if you're a beginner and looking out for something very affordable, then this comes very handy. But if you want a little good quality and if you want your makeup to be more long lasting, then then the Blue Heaven one is a mind-blowing setting spray. I would say it, you can use it to prep your skin and also to fix your makeup. It is going to hold your makeup for a very long time. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button right beside the subscribe button. Like and share. If you want, you can follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Come and say hi. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, ask me there or in the comment section and I'll make it a point to reply to you guys. I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.